Hi there, it's Melissa from Replyboard, and today I'm going to walk you through what not to pack, but what should be on your packing list. Study Abroad Edition. Believe me when I say you do not want to be stuck with overweight fees when you get to the airport. First packing rule, what items are important to you? Think about items that you wear over and over again, things that you just can't live without. Make sure to pack 6 to 8 of these outfits. My advice for you to stick to simpler, more casual outfits that you'll be comfy studying in. But again, you have to be yourself and stick to your style. Second packing rule, toss out the not so sure items. When it comes to outfits, if you're not wearing them at home, chances are you're not going to wear them while you're studying abroad, even if you like the idea of wearing it. We know that leaving some personal belongings at home can be difficult, but you can always purchase some new ones in your destination country. Packing rule number 3, consider the climate. What you need to consider is interchangeable items, especially in countries like Canada, the US, Ireland, and the UK, where it could be quite cold in the morning, but then warm in the afternoon, or cold outside, but then super warm in the classroom. So having things that you can layer with, but then de-layer when it gets warmer is really smart. And on that note, if you're coming to a country that has harsher winters like Canada and northern US, you're gonna have to consider winter clothing. Our advice to you is to not bring any winter gear with you, but wait till you get to your study abroad destination to purchase it. You're gonna save a lot of space in your bag, and honestly, because Canadians and Northern Americans know what our winters are like, the jackets here are just made for our winters. And you can find great deals online and in stores that are still affordable. What you're gonna need when you arrive is a hat, or a toque as we call it in Canada, a really good winter jacket, snow pants, gloves or mittens, mittens are warmer FYI, and waterproof winter boots. And the fourth packing rule, shoes. The struggle is real, and shoes are bulky, but I'm gonna help you cut it down so that you're not bringing 10 plus pairs of shoes. As a student, you're gonna be walking a lot. Walking on campus, off campus, taking transit, going sightseeing. The most important thing to pack is a good pair of sneakers. In fact, pack 2 good pairs of sneakers. And of course, pack for the climate as well. If you're in Australia, you're definitely gonna need some flip-flops. Here's what I would pack. 1 pair of casual sneakers, 1 pair of gym shoes or running shoes, 1 pair of slides or loafers, and 1 pair of boots. Not snow boots. Buy those in the country. And lastly, 1 pair of dressy shoes. And the 5th packing rule, dressy attire. Depending on your style and how much you think you'll be going out, I recommend packing only 1 to 2 fancier outfits. And keep in mind, all your destination countries have outlet malls and cheaper stores that you can visit to purchase when you get here. 6th packing rule, here's what to pack for pants and tops. For pants, bring 1 pair of blue jeans, 1 pair of black, and a couple trousers and or skirts. And if you're coming to a colder country, long johns go a long way. For tops, bring a couple white and black tops, a couple graphic tees, and 2 nicer tops. And if you're into working out, don't forget to pack 2 workout gym outfits. Some other packing rules to consider, don't forget to bring a couple pairs of pajamas, or if you're like me, just a couple old t-shirts and shorts to sleep in. And a light jacket, some light sweaters, and don't forget your socks and underwear. The golden packing rule for my study abroad besties, secure a folder for all your important documents, your birth certificate, driver's license, health card, passport, and of course things you might need for studying, like notebooks, school supplies, books, laptops, chargers. And don't forget to pack a plug adapter for things like your phone and your laptop. But don't worry, if you forget any of these things, all these destination countries have affordable options. Last but certainly not least, bring something that reminds you of home, that can make your dorm room or your apartment feel special to you, feel like a piece of home. Because you're gonna be experiencing homesickness, and having that little touch is gonna make the place you're staying feel more like you. I really hope this video helped you narrow down your packing list, but with packing also comes the stress of what to do when you land. But don't worry, we have you covered. Head over to our next video of what cell phone plans / SIM cards you need. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more content just like this.